Hi, I'm Emma, and you may have heard of the dark web. That mysterious, kind of spooky part of the internet. It's not just something out of a crime movie, it is real. And it's where stolen data like emails, passwords get leaked and sold every day. Your data might already be out there without you even knowing. And that's why I want to show you a cool tool in XVPN, Dark Web Monitor. It periodically scans the dark web and breach databases to check if your email shows up. Let me show you how it works. Open the Dark Web Monitor in your XVPN app on Windows or Mac. Your account email is monitored by default. You can add up to 4 more emails. Just click Add, type the email, then hit Send for a verification code. Enter the code and add it to the monitor. By the way, if you've hit the max number of emails, just hit Edit to remove some and add new ones. After adding the email, the scan starts right away. If it says no new warnings, good news, your email is safe. If your email is found, you'll get an alert immediately. Like here, your email was leaked in a major app store breach. Your password and data might be at risk. So, what now? First, change your password and anywhere else you used it. Second, turn on two-factor authentication if you can. And of course, keep an eye out for weird emails or login attempts. So, detect it fast, get alerted, and stay protected. That's Dark Web Monitor in a nutshell. Remember to like and subscribe for more digital safety tips. XVPN. It's more than just a VPN. Bye.